What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how you can overwinter your canna lily bulbs. So what I have here is a decent sized canna lily that I grew in a pot. You can see it's got pretty good stalks. It just finished blooming for the last time at the very end right up there, but this is how you overwinter them. What you want to do is you want to cut off all the foliage to about 2 or 3 inches, right about this length right here. That is so all the remaining energy can go back into the rhizome. So I will go ahead and do that now. So afterwards it should look something like this, something, just a couple little stubs. These do multiply pretty rapidly throughout the summer, so don't worry about that. You can divide them if you wish. What you'll do is you just take a knife or something and split them right between 2 main growth points. You want to make sure every single division that you do make, if you do choose to make one, has at least one growth point like this here. And then just kind of brush them or wash them off. You can choose to wash them off. But either way, whether you choose to just brush them off or wash them, I would wait at least 3 to 4 days to let these bulbs fully dry out. I would also go through and cut off any of these long roots so you could just keep them, in a more manageable size. And then what you'll do is after your 3 or 4 days, take a paper bag and put some pretty dry peat moss, as you can see in there. Just put some peat moss in there. And then what you'll do, just as an example, I will do this after my 7 days is up, but just put your canna lily in there, just like that. So it's covered by the peat moss just a little bit so it's able to stay dry. Just making sure it's not gonna rot at all. You need to have a little bit of at least peat moss. I wouldn't really use anything else because it can contain a potential fungal activity and other things. You want an inert medium such as peat moss. So this is just a super easy way to overwinter your canna lily bulbs. Make sure you store them in a place that is never gets below 35 to 40 degrees because you do not want your bulbs to freeze. Another thing is if you choose to do it this way, you just want to make sure and inspect the bulbs for any rot or any other damage before you do put them. But I will go ahead and do follow-up videos on what to look for and so on. So I encourage you to like and subscribe to see these updates as the winter season goes along. And until I see you in the next video, I hope you have a fun time in the garden.